Hi there, this is Sarah with WHMCS. Today, we're going to walk through setting up support departments. This is the first part of setting up your support ticket system. Support departments control the staff members who can access certain items, which lets the system route customer requests to the right teams. You have to add at least one department in your WHMCS installation. First, let's go to the configuration icon, to System Settings, and then down to Support Departments. On this screen, you will see your support departments, plus, here at the top, everything you need to set up ticket importing through email. This is called email piping. Click Add New Department and a new screen will load. Fill out the form with all of your information. If you have multiple support departments, which we recommend, users will be able to see the department name and description when they submit tickets in the client area. The email address becomes the sender address for notifications that WHMCS sends about tickets in that department. Make this unique to each department that you add. Some of your admins are going to need access to this department. These will be the ones handling this department's tickets and other activities, so you have to select at least one admin here. Select whether it's a clients-only department here. Clients-only departments require users to log in to create tickets, which makes sure they're people who've actually purchased your product. You'll probably want to make your technical support department clients-only, but keep a sales department public to let future customers contact you. For pipe replies only, select whether users will need to log in to open new tickets. If you enable this, the system won't create new tickets from received emails, and will only use email for replies on existing tickets. This is helpful if you want more control over how tickets are made, without losing the functionality of piped ticket replies. Right here, you can choose whether to automatically send an email when someone opens a new ticket. For feedback request, choose whether to send email requests for feedback about users' support ticket experience. You can see the results of these emails in the Ticket Feedback Scores and Ticket Feedback Comments reports. Here, decide whether the department will be hidden. If you hide the department, users won't be able to access it without a direct link, so this is great for specialized departments or internal-only tickets. If you're going to use POP3 importing for new tickets, configure that information here. Just enter the information for the email account you'll be importing from. Finally, click Add New Department. You'll need to do this for every support department you want to add. You can click here to delete it, or go back and modify your department by clicking here. You can add and remove admins from the departments through another method too. Click up here again and choose Manage Admins. From here, you can click the edit icon for an admin account, and then use the checkboxes to add and remove them from each of your departments. Next, we recommend that you continue setting up email piping, which will let you import emails directly into the support ticket system using that email address that you entered a moment ago. You can find out more about email piping in our documentation. There's a link in the description under the video. We hope this video helped you with setting up your support ticket system. If it did, make sure to like and share. For more information about WHMCS, the world's leading automation platform of choice, hit subscribe under the video or visit WHMCS.com.